Hi, this is Mark at Dingdong's Garden. This is Jan's Best Mulberry. Jan's Best comes to us from Jan in Florida, and it is for us here, and maybe it's just our growing environment, but for us here, Lakeland, Jan's Best, and the variety that's called Dwarf Everbearing are basically identical in taste. They all come in at the same time. They all have the same growing pattern. So I would say, certainly you can collect all three for sure. Like we have, just to try them out, and maybe they'll do different in your area. Or maybe you'll be able to see the difference. But for us, they're pretty much the same, which is good. Let's take a flavor. Let's take a taste on this. It's got a good taste. And it's very abundant. And one of the reasons it's abundant, we discovered last year, is because these everbearing types, even the ones like Thai Dwarf or World's Best or Isai Dwarf, they will branch during the growing season. There's no branching yet, but what'll happen is that this branch here will send out more branches during the growing season, and what that does is it encourages more buds and thus more fruit next year. So it's very branchy, if that's a technical term. Whereas most mulberries, they'll just want to grow straight during the growing season until the following season, when they will send out branches. So this is Jan's Best, good tasting berry. For us, it's similar to Dwarf Everbearing and Lakeland. And it's very productive. It is a little sensitive to cold weather, though. So when our temperatures here dip into the 20s or so in the winter, this will take a hit. The tips of the branches, like this right here, this thin branch didn't make it through the winter. Otherwise, it would be producing right now. So that'll kind of inform my pruning this year. I'm not sure how exactly I'm going to prune it, but I'm going to prune it down a little bit. I have 2 or 3 huge leaders here that I'm going to prune back for this small space in our hoop house. And we'll see if we can survive the winter this year a little better.